we got this one. Go to 40. Here we go. This is gonna be fast. 40's locked. 39, 38. 38's the highest. Woo! Whoa, those are fast. Alex Stack YouTube user Gloose has filmed these elevators before. I don't know if 40 and 39 are locked. Wow, these are fast. Hopefully there's a view up here we can go look at. Yep, there's a view. Look at this floor. This is really nice. That right there is your view of downtown Dallas. This is really awesome indeed. I wonder what those are. Those are the bathrooms. These are the elevators right there, and behind there is where that service elevator is. That elevator goes up higher more floors, and these don't. Alright, now let's go back down now. And we just left. I'll go back down and end there. I'm not going to film the North and South Tower elevators because I don't have much time. Actually, I've already filmed the North Tower elevators not far from the Central Tower ones. The ones I did not film were actually the South Tower elevators until I came back here recently. These things are fast and shaky. Why does it always lose the focus? Alright, and that's it.